friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Tigger as a pumpkin. So first let's get started with the stalk up above, and we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On the left hand side here, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then up towards the top. And then we'll come across on the right, curving this line over and then out. On the top now, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. And then from that corner on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line back up again. On the inside, we're going to draw in a small curved line that comes down. And then stepping over beside that, we're going to replicate that, making that slightly longer. Now let's come down and we're going to draw in the eyes. So first for the eyebrow up above, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. From that point on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in towards the top. From that point again, we're going to bring this line out. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle. And we'll do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to leave a gap in the center. Now from here on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down towards the bottom. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's move down and draw in the eyes now. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big oval for our right eye. And then we'll line this up at the exact same height, moving over on the left, and we'll replicate that. Now in the top left-hand corner of both eyes, we're going to draw in another oval for the highlight of the eye. Moving down below that now, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right. And then to close off the side of the eyes, we're just going to curve this line up on both sides. Now let's draw in the shape of the pumpkin. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side of our eyes now. We're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right, curving this line around, blending that back in together. To the right of this now, we're going to step further up, curving this line out, in, and then back up towards the top. And then we'll move over on the left, lining it up at the same height, replicating that, curving that out, in, and then back up towards the top again. Now from here, starting over on the top, beside our stalk here, we're going to curve this line around, and then down. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, curving this out, and then back down again. Now from this line on the side, we're going to curve this line in, extending this all the way out towards the left. So we're going to bring this line in, out, and then down. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line underneath towards the bottom. And now let's add in some of the details. So for the nose, we're going to start on the top, drawing in a nice big arch line. Underneath, we're going to close this off with another arch line. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. And then we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, arching that down in the middle. Now on the right, we're going to curve this line down. We'll do the same thing on the left. Now from here, we're going to draw some triangles that come through. So on the right, we're going to curve this line in. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this line back across. Stepping further down, we're going to curve this line in towards the nose. And then curving this line back out. Stepping further down again, we're going to curve this line in. And then from that point, we're going to curve this back out towards the side. Let's move over on the left-hand side now. So coming back up towards the top, we're going to curve this line in towards our eye. And then from that point, arching that back out towards the side. Let's leave a gap now, curving this line in. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back out towards the side again. Let's move down, curving this line in. And then again, from that point, just curving this line over towards the side. And then now we're going to close off the rest of the mouth, drawing in a zigzag pattern. So we're going to bring this line out and then down. And we're going to follow this as we come all the way down. One more time on the right. We're going to bring this line through, so we're going to draw in the zigzag pattern that comes down towards the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Tigger as a Halloween pumpkin. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.